12 Nutritional and health benefits of drinking banana juice daily. You can make banana juice by blending the peeled fruit. Adding honey to banana juice adds more health benefits to the already nutritious drink. Banana fruit is just like the fruit in that all of the vitamins and essential nutrients found in the fruit are also available in the juice. These nutrients and other minerals are sources of antioxidants which benefit the body. The following are some of the nutritional and health benefits of consuming banana juice. Promotes digestion. Daily consumption of banana juice promotes the production of beneficial digestive bacteria. Probiotic bacteria, as they are referred to, are important for digestion because they stimulate the absorption of essential vitamins and minerals. In addition, the juice benefits the digestive system as it guards against the effect of the non-beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract. Good for the kidney. The presence of toxins in the kidney can hinder the organ from effectively functioning. Drinking banana juice daily can help to cancel out the effects of these harmful substances. This is due to the presence of antioxidants in the fruit. For treating stomach ulcer. Banana juice is helpful in the removal of dangerous bacteria that are responsible for stomach ulcers. A word of caution though, the use of banana juice for treating stomach ulcers should be done after due consultation with a physician. For lowering high blood pressure. Potassium, calcium, and magnesium are some of the many essential minerals found in banana juice. These above-mentioned minerals help the body in regulating blood pressure levels. This means that hypertensive persons can benefit greatly from consuming banana juice. For regulating LDL cholesterol. There are two classes of body cholesterol. HDL, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, and LDL cholesterol. While the former, HDL, is the good kind of cholesterol, the latter is the bad kind. For the effective control of LDL cholesterol, the body needs to be fed with enough water-soluble fibers. Thankfully, banana juice is rich in a type of this fiber called pectin. So, if you are looking for a way to control your body cholesterol, drink banana juice. Good for the eyes. Banana contains several vitamins including vitamin A, which is important for good vision. Frequent consumption of banana juice helps in promoting good vision and in preventing eye diseases. Good for the heart. Banana juice is rich in minerals such as potassium, which helps in protecting the body from heart-related problems. For prevention of stroke. As previously stated, the presence of antioxidants and minerals in banana juice makes it a healthy choice for the heart and for preventing stroke. For improved brain functioning. Banana consumption can help to improve brain functioning. This is because of the presence of brain-friendly minerals such as potassium, which is beneficial to the brain. For fighting off free radicals. The fact that banana juice is rich in antioxidants means so many things, including being a protector against free radicals in the body. For treating depression. If you are feeling depressed, you can take a cup of banana juice to elevate your already down spirit. Studies have equally shown that the juice is good for reducing the symptoms of stress and anxiety. For strong and healthy bones. We've already learned that banana juice contains calcium, which is essential for strong and healthy bones. Daily consumption of banana juice helps in promoting good bone health. If you like this video, please share your opinion in the comment box below and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure.